Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Neely with mmToolParts.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace your Kerf plates on your DWS780. Super easy. You'll need a couple things: your impact driver and your T20, a cleaner, and of course your new Kerf plates. Your Kerf plate number is N544383 All right, let's get to it. One thing to know is that you want to keep your screws because they do not come with your replacement plates. Now that your screws are safely set aside, you can grab your Kerf plate and slide it out. Look at that. We are going to clean up. We're going to take our little duster and clean. And we're going to get our replacements and put them on. All right, we got our new ones. We're gonna slide them in. So they find their little groove. Okay. All right. There you go. Done. Thanks for watching how to replace your Kerf plates on your DWS780. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as check out our other social media platforms. And of course, if you need anything we've shown today, go to mmToolParts.com. Have a great day!